Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Calculus problems like this are fast to solve with the right trick. We just need to find g of 8 quickly.
First, we need to isolate the function g of x by differentiating both sides of the equation. This uses the fundamental theorem of calculus to remove that integral sign right away.
Now, let's find the derivative of the right side. The derivative of 1 is 0, and for the power term, we bring down the exponent to get negative 2/3 x.
Finally, plug in 8 for x. 8 to the negative 1/3 power is 1/2, so multiplying gives negative 1/3. Option D is correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and avoid rushing. Always trust the given steps and check.